Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some essential muscle recovery tips that will help you bounce back faster and stronger. Let me tell you, muscle recovery is something people don't talk about enough. You got all these ripped dudes pushing you to go harder, lift heavier, but then they leave out the part where your body needs time to rebuild. It's like driving a car with no brakes, man. You're gonna crash eventually. We're gonna break down the key elements of recovery, from sleep to hydration to nutrition. We'll get into the science behind it, why it matters, and how you can optimize your routine. So, buckle up, because this is gonna be a deep dive. Alright, let's talk about rest. It's often overlooked, but it's just as important as the workout itself. You're hitting the gym, pushing your limits, tearing down those muscle fibers. Every rep, every set, you're breaking down your muscles. That's good, but you gotta give your body a chance to repair those tears, to rebuild itself stronger than before. Without proper rest, you're just spinning your wheels. That's where rest comes in. It's the unsung hero of fitness, the secret weapon that many overlook. And I'm not just talking about skipping a workout here and there. I'm talking about real, quality rest. I'm talking about quality sleep, man. The kind of sleep that leaves you feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. 7 to 9 hours a night minimum. That's the sweet spot for most people. When you sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is like the magic elixir for muscle repair. It's during this time that your body does most of its healing. Think of it like this. You're a construction worker, and your muscles are the building. You need the right tools and materials to build something strong. You spend all day demolishing and rebuilding, but you can't do that if you're exhausted, right? You need energy, focus, and strength. You need time to rest, to recharge, so you can come back the next day and work even harder. It's a cycle of breaking down and building up. And it's not just about muscle growth either. Your overall health and well-being depend on it. Sleep deprivation can mess with your hormones, your mood, your energy levels. It can make you feel like you're running on empty. It's like a domino effect, man. One bad night of sleep can lead to a cascade of negative effects. Lack of sleep leads to poor recovery, which leads to decreased performance, which leads to frustration. It's a vicious cycle that can be hard to break. So, make sleep a priority. Treat it with the same importance as your workouts and nutrition. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, dim the lights, put away your phone, set the stage for a good night's sleep. Your body will thank you for it. You'll wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to conquer your goals. Next up, let's talk about hydration. It's one of the most critical, yet often overlooked aspects of fitness and recovery. This is another crucial aspect of recovery that often gets overlooked. Hydration is not just about quenching your thirst, it's about maintaining optimal performance and recovery. You're sweating it out at the gym, losing fluids, electrolytes. Every drop of sweat is a signal that your body is working hard and needs replenishment. You gotta replenish those, man, or your body's gonna be like a car running on fumes. Just like a car can't run without fuel, your body can't function without proper hydration. Water is essential for pretty much every bodily function, including muscle recovery. It aids in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even helps in maintaining your energy levels. It helps transport nutrients to your muscles, flush out waste products, and regulate body temperature. Without adequate hydration, these processes slow down, affecting your performance. When you're dehydrated, your muscles can't function at their best. They become stiff, less flexible, and more prone to injury. You're more likely to experience fatigue, cramping, and even injury. Dehydration can lead to severe muscle cramps that can sideline you from your training. Think of your muscles like sponges. When they're properly hydrated, they're plump and full, ready to absorb all the good stuff. Hydrated muscles are more efficient and resilient, but when they're dehydrated, they're shriveled and weak. They can't perform at their peak, and you're left feeling drained and exhausted. Not exactly the recipe for peak performance, right? To stay at the top of your game, you need to keep those muscles hydrated. So, how much water should you be drinking? It's a common question with a somewhat flexible answer. It varies depending on your body weight, activity level, and climate, but a good rule of thumb is to aim for half your body weight in ounces per day. For example, if you weigh 160 pounds, aim for 80 ounces of water daily. And if you're training hard, you'll need even more than that. Intense workouts increase your water needs significantly. Don't wait until you're thirsty to drink water either. Thirst is a late indicator of dehydration. By the time you feel thirsty, you're already dehydrated. Staying ahead of your hydration needs is key. Keep a water bottle with you throughout the day and sip on it regularly. Make it a habit to drink water consistently. Your muscles will thank you for it. Proper hydration will keep you feeling strong, energized, and ready to tackle your next workout. Alright, let's talk about nutrition. Nutrition is the cornerstone of any fitness journey. Without the right fuel, your body simply can't perform at its best. You can't build a house without bricks, right? Similarly, you can't build muscle without the right nutrients. Well, protein is the building block of muscle tissue. It's essential for muscle repair, growth, and overall maintenance. When you work out, you're breaking down muscle fibers, and you need protein to repair and rebuild them. This process is what leads to muscle growth and increased strength. Think of protein as the construction crew that comes in after a workout and starts putting everything back together. Without enough protein, your muscles can't recover properly. Amino acids, the building blocks of protein, are like the individual workers, each with a specific job to do. They help in various functions, from muscle repair to immune support. How much protein you need depends on your body weight, activity level, and goals. For someone who is very active, the protein requirements might be higher. But a good starting point is to aim for 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight per day. This can be adjusted based on your specific needs and goals. So if you weigh 150 pounds, that's about 120 grams of protein per day. This might seem like a lot, but it's manageable with the right planning. And it's not just about the quantity of protein you consume, but also the quality. High-quality protein sources provide all the essential amino acids your body needs. Make sure you're getting your protein from a variety of sources like lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, lentils, and nuts. This ensures you get a broad spectrum of nutrients. Eating enough protein is especially important after a workout when your muscles are primed for repair and growth. This is often referred to as the anabolic window. Aim to consume a protein-rich meal or snack within an hour or two of finishing your workout. This helps maximize muscle recovery and growth, setting you up for your next training session. Now let's talk about stretching and flexibility. You know how important it is to warm up before a workout? Well, stretching is like warming up your muscles from the inside out. It helps improve your range of motion, prevent injury, and reduce muscle soreness. Think of your muscles like rubber bands. When they're warm and pliable, they're less likely to snap, but when they're cold and tight, they're more prone to tears and strains. Stretching after a workout is especially important because it helps lengthen your muscles and improve blood flow. This can help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery time. There are a lot of different stretches you can do, but some basic ones include hamstring stretches, quadricep stretches, calf stretches, and chest stretches. Hold each stretch for at least 30 seconds and focus on breathing deeply. Incorporating yoga or Pilates into your routine can also be a great way to improve flexibility and mobility. Finally, let's talk about massage and foam rolling. These techniques can be incredibly helpful for relieving muscle soreness, improving blood flow, and breaking up adhesions. Think of massage and foam rolling as a way to manually release tension in your muscles. It's like giving your muscles a deep tissue massage, which can help improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and speed up recovery. Massage therapy can be expensive, but foam rolling is a great affordable alternative. You can buy a foam roller online or at most sporting goods stores. To use a foam roller, simply place it under the muscle you want to target and roll your body back and forth slowly. Apply pressure as needed, but stop if you feel any sharp pain. Foam rolling can be uncomfortable at first, but it should never be painful. If you're new to foam rolling, start with a softer roller and gradually work your way up to a firmer one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on staying fit and healthy. See you next time. Seriously guys, taking care of your body isn't just about lifting weights and pushing limits. It's about listening to your body, giving it the rest and recovery it needs, and optimizing your performance from the inside out. Remember, true strength comes from a holistic approach. Train hard, recover smarter, and you'll be amazed at what your body can achieve. Stay curious, my friends.